Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we want to address a common problem many of us face: worn out and damaged leather car seat. But fret not, because we have just the solution for you. Introducing Eidechse Leather Repair Color. Eidechse Leather Repair Color is a game changer when it comes to restoring your leather car seat. Say goodbye to unsightly cracks, scratches, and faded area. With Eidechse Leather Repair Color, you can bring back that luxurious look and feel to your car interior. The application process is simple and straightforward. Start by cleaning the leather surface thoroughly using a mild leather cleaner or plain water. Once the seat is dry, apply a small amount of Eidechse Leather Repair Color to the provided sponge or brush. Gently rub the color onto the damaged area, making sure to blend it evenly for a seamless finish. See how effortless this Eidechse Leather Repair Color blending is like magic. This innovative formula ensures a perfect color match. Give your car seat a professional quality restoration.